What's up, guys? April's totals are in.
We're going to jump into what we bought, what we sold, the fees, shipping costs, and of course the profits in just a minute.
That's right. But first, we're Rob and Melissa with Flea Market Flipper, and we absolutely love this reselling game.
You're just slightly passionate about it. All right, so let's dive in. Our total for the month of April, total sales was $2,331.
That's right, with 6 items. We sold 6 items to get to that total.
All right, and we'll get into the total profits in just a little bit, but let's go through what we sold.
That's right.
So the first item was the Fluidity Bar.
Fluidity Bar. It's a ballet bar. I got this thing from the flea market.
Sold several of these.
Yeah, we have. Not too long ago, we got this from the flea market. Paid $20 for it. Sold it for, what was the total?
$4.96.
Sold it for $4.96, including shipping. So killer deal from $20 to almost $500. I love those flips.
Yeah, the eBay fees were $59 and shipping cost $62 for that one.
Yep. So we'll break down the totals at the end, what we spent on shipping, fees, and all that kind of stuff.
So
Number 2,
the TV, the Emerson TV.
Emerson TV. We actually pulled this out of the trash. We found this on a walk.
$0 invested.
Nothing invested into it. Pulled it out of the trash, and then we sold it for $190, almost $200.
Yeah,
almost $200 on that bad boy for a freebie out of the trash. You love those too.
That would cost $43 to ship it.
$43 to ship that bad boy.
And the Sony TV.
Sony TV. This bad boy was a pick from OfferUp. Paid $30 for this sucker, and then we sold it on.
Huge.
It was sold
it.
it.
36-inch TV, right?
36-inch. Sold it on eBay for $350 without shipping. We actually sold this locally. Somebody bought it and then off of eBay and then picked it up, so I didn't have to ship it.
He wanted to take the screen, right?
Yeah, something for an arcade or some type of I forget what he was. Something with arcades or something like that he was going to do with it.
Yeah. The next one is the gas air valve.
The gas air valve. This was a stainless steel, and I don't really know. It's a water waste air valve, something like that. We bought 2 of them at the flea market, paid $10 a piece for them. I didn't know what they were, what they did, but one of the little components on it was worth over $10. It was a ball valve. So we picked them up, took a chance with them. Once I found out they were like $1,500 to $2,000. Actually, it was over $2,000 retail on them. I knew we could make a good profit on it. So sold it for $900 on eBay.
For $10.
$10 to $900. We love those. It was a killer, and it wasn't that big either.
Shipped in $2 to ship.
Shipped in a box. FedEx, if I'm not mistaken. We shipped it FedEx, so not super expensive, not super hard to do, and still made amazing profit on that one.
The baseball glove.
Baseball glove was one of my favorites.
I know.
We recently had Brody go through T-ball, so I don't even usually look at sporting equipment, but I needed a glove, so we started looking at the flea market for different gloves so I could play catch with him. Found the baseball glove, paid $5 for the bad boy, and then come to find out it was an expensive glove. I think a retail on it was like $450, $500. So we put it on. We sold it for
$322.
$322. Sold it on eBay, shipped it, and that was another amazing flip. For sure.
And that's one really quick point is like the season of life that you're in, you start to learn a whole new category of items. So you can get a whole new niche just by new experiences.
It's cool. It widens your range of what you're actually looking for out there. It did for us, and we made a couple $100 on the deal. So super excited about that as well.
Yeah, we didn't know baby stuff was worth anything until we had kids. Like, it just look at the season of life you're in and see what that could be. So it can open up a whole new niche.
Items that you can flip for sure. That's awesome.
The last one was the light. I don't know what light that was.
This was a light given to us by a friend. Came from a gun range. They're inside lights that are vapor-proof or something like that. Special lights made by RAB, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. We got, I think, 10 of those bad boys, and we sold one of them. And what did I sell it for?
$65.
Sold it for $65. It was a freebie, so we didn't pay any money for it. Sold it for $65 on eBay. So that was a killer deal as well, because that's $65 that I didn't have to pay a thing for. So excited about that as well, for sure. So
all right, our total sales.
Well, the cool part is month of April, we only had to invest $65. So $65 out of our pocket is all we had to put out to make this $23.31 in sales. So that's exciting for us. I love it when we don't have to go out, hundreds of dollars. No, hundreds and hundreds of dollars to make this money. We didn't have to do that. $65. I mean, give me a break. That's a dinner for our family. I mean, go out to dinner, and that's one dinner for the month. So excited about that. I was excited about that. Seeing that total, I was super excited about. Only $65 invested.
So the total was $23.31 in sales. Total eBay fees were $259.
$259. We paid eBay for allowing us to sell on their platform. That's what they deducted out of it.
Shipping was $169.
$169. That's what we had to pay to ship all these items out that we did ship. Ship them out FedEx, UPS, or USPS.
And the total profit was $1,838.
$1,838. We still walked with almost $2,000, which is awesome. We love that. That not one of our
only $65 invested.
That's right.
Really cool.
Not one of our highest months by any means, but we only sold 6 items. A very minimal time invested into this almost $2,000 that we were able to walk away from with it, or walk away this month with. So it's a win for us. We love that. We absolutely love that. We didn't have to sell hundreds and hundreds of items to get to almost $2,000. It was only 6 items, fairly easy to ship. And the other thing about this is none of this was pallet. None of it was freight shipping. No, it was all stuff that went through FedEx or UPS. So stoked!
We cannot leave out, Roxy had her flip too. So our kids are getting into this. It's so much fun to see them want to do it and want to make money. And her flip was that coin machine that you picked up at the thrift store with her.
Yep.
She picked it for $4. And they sold it for, with the shipping, was $32. So
$32.
She ended up making a profit of $14.
Woohoo!
So, and she got to keep that money. And we're also working with them to, what to save, what to spend, what to give. So that is opened up a whole new conversation, which is so fun. And she's 8. So
it is. It's always exciting to be able to teach your kids this stuff, teach them some money values while they're young. So hopefully they will take that with them. Very exciting. We absolutely love doing that.
Now when
kids.
They want something, like, okay, well, let's go find some stuff to flip so you can make some money.
That's right. Super excited about that as well. So
so if this is something, like if this side hustle is something that you'd be interested in, we do have a free workshop if you want to check it out.
That's
in the link below. But yeah, awesome.
Or you might be interested in it. Check it out, guys. It'll give you some pointers on what to do, what not to do. So it's a great workshop. Free registration. You guys can jump in there anytime you want. Check it out. We'll talk to you soon, guys.
All right.
Have a great month, and we'll get back to you with our next month. That's right, with May, and let you know what those totals are as well. So,
all right.
See ya.
Bye.